Okay, what's the graph of the inequality? I'm going to do these each in a different color. And what we want to do here is we want to label these numbers. So I'm going to just label every few numbers. I used a graph that we don't quite need this many marks, but that's okay. Say that was 0, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. You don't need to label all of these quite this detailed. So if you have a bunch of marks like this, just mark every few to show what the scale is. Okay. I went by every fifth one. Now, where is 2 then? Well, where's 2? 2 is 1, 2 right here. And so I put a mark at 2. Can we include it? No, it does not say or equals. Which side do we want to be on? Well, we want values d is less than 2. So we want all the values less than that. And that is what you get. Okay? And somebody asked, can we do it right on the number line? Yeah, you can do it right on the number line instead of hovering above it like I did. Okay? Let's do the next one. Okay, notice that we have halves. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to say, I'll do this one in blue. I'm going to say this one's 0. And this one's 1. Notice how we have half marks. And this one's 2. And this one's 3. This one's 4. And this one's 5, etc. Okay? -1, -2. I've chosen the scale on this so that it actually represents halves. Okay? So watch what I can do. By the way, first we can just say that 9 halves. How many times does 2 go into 9? 2 goes into 9 4 times. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8 and 1 left over. So this 9 halves is this and this are equivalent amounts. Okay, so where's 4 1/2? 4 1/2 is right here. Now you could also count by nines, and or by halves. You could say from 0, you got 1/2, 2 halves. 2 halves makes sense. It's 1, right? 1/2, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves, 5 halves, 6 halves, 7 halves, 8 halves, 9 halves, right there. Now, what is k? Is k less than that or greater than that? It's not equal to, so we don't fill it in. And what is k? K is greater because you can see that the alligator eats the bigger number. Okay. Let me erase this mark just to make it a little bit easier to see here. That was -5, and that was 4 1/2. Okay. K is greater, so we are going to shade greater, like that. Okay. Next one. X is less than or equal to 5. Well, let's label our marks. They say that's 0, that's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. I'm only marking every other, like every fifth one. Okay, and where is X? It's got an endpoint at 5. Do we fill it in? Yeah, it says or equals, so we fill it in. Now, which side do we want to be on? It says X is less than or greater? X is less than. That's how you graph this. Okay, and one more. Let's mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Going the other way, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. X has an endpoint at -3. That's right here. Do we fill it in? Yeah, it says or equals, so we fill it in. And is X greater than or less than? Greater than or equal to. So that is this direction. That's it. That's how you do it.